This tiny brown bird can sing louder and more beautifully than birds twice its size, and it sings in the dark. Meet the nightingale, a bird so famous that poets, kings, and composers have celebrated its voice for millennia. It doesn't just sing, it performs over 200 different song variations, mixing whistles, trills, and powerful notes that can travel across entire forests. Here's the wild part. In spring, male nightingales sing all night long, not for fun, but to attract a mate and warn rivals this territory is taken. Their song is so potent it can be heard over city traffic, and they still sing in the parks and green corners of European towns. But once a female chooses him, the relentless all-night performances stop. The urgent task of attraction is complete. So next time you hear a mysterious song in the dark of a spring night, it might be a nightingale, turning the darkness into a concert.